Hey, worked on Goliath. Don't suppose you'd consider picking on someone your own size.
Nope, been wanting to bug squash you since the day we met.
How tough can this be? All Jack needed was a beanstalk and an axe. No. Venom. He's got the symbiote. Sandy! Behind you!
Oh yeah, like I'd fall for that. Abandon ship!
I'm trying! The tanker! Fire on an oil tanker. Man, this just keeps getting better. Get back! Gotta get you off this tub.
It's too late. She's gonna blow before she sinks.
Sandman, stop! Save them?
I was just in it for the bucks. I never meant for this to happen.
Wait! Sandy! Let go! The heat from the explosion. It must have glazed him. You wanted a big score, Marco? As far as I'm concerned, you just scored about as big as a man can.